As businesses grow, managing financial data efficiently becomes critical. Yet many companies still rely on legacy accounting systems that limit collaboration, visibility, and scalability. Accounting data migration is the process of securely moving financial data records from older systems like QuickBooks, Tally, or Excel to modern platforms like Zoho Books. It's not just about data transfer, it's about continuity, accuracy, and compliance. Zoho Books helps businesses automate repetitive tasks, collaborate in real time, and stay compliant across regions, making it a powerful upgrade for legacy systems. From tax compliance to automation and integration, Zoho Books provides the control and flexibility businesses need to manage finances confidently in the cloud. Zoho Books supports structured data import using Excel or CSV templates. Core accounting masters, opening balances, and transactions can be all migrated with built in validations to ensure accuracy. Many businesses delay migration due to fear, but with proper planning and expert support, migration can be smooth, secure, and disruption free. Migrating to Zoho Books isn't just a technical move, it's a business evolution. With the right approach and partner, you gain efficiency, clarity, and confidence to focus on growth, not spreadsheets.